How to add a hyperlink in a PDF. Now, the best thing to do is to open up Microsoft Word, then come to File, Open, then you want to browse, you want to locate your PDF file, which is mine here. Let's press Open. It'll tell you that it needs to convert it, just press OK. It may take a few moments while it does this. At the bottom of the Word here, it'll tell you how long it's going to take. It's normally relatively quick, even with big PDFs. Mine's 30 pages, but it's still done relatively quickly, as you can see. So now what you want to do, select the text where you want to make a PDF. Let's just do this big line of text here. Then right click, come down to link. Now on the left hand side here we can select existing file or web page, place in this document, create a new document or email. We'll have address here. We'll just make it YouTube, press OK. Now go to File, Save As. Want to drop this down so it's a PDF. We'll rename it, press Save. Now when we exit this away, we'll save it this time. Here's our PDF with that link. Here it is on our desktop. Normally adds it to wherever you download to. I do it onto my desktop, so let's open it up again. As you can see, here is that link. So that's how to add a hyperlink in a PDF and create a hyperlink in a PDF file. Here's the original without it. So hopefully that helps you out. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.